Alright, so I decided to do my own pedal board for guitar pedal effects. I cut 3 of these at 2 feet. You can see it right there. 3 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead now and put them together and sand them on the sides. Make sure they're all the same size. So this is how it looks right here. Make sure when you get the board on Home Depot that it's a straight board. This one is pretty straight. So there you go. It was uneven on this side, so now it looks nice. Both sides are the same. I'm gonna go ahead and sand on top a little bit. So this is the idea. Just so they have the space for the cable to go down, and I could put different size guitar pedals. So I cut 2 pieces of this. This is 1.5. So I cut them at 10 5/8. I'm gonna leave 1 inch here on each. This is gonna go like this, but of course this is the bottom part. I'm gonna leave like 1 inch also there. So it's 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch here. I'm gonna also put this part over here. So make sure you use whatever you have to clamp it. Make sure it's level. I'm gonna use this size of nails. They're not too deep. So I think it's coming along fine. If you have glue, just make sure you use glue on every part. So 1 inch here, 1 inch here. Let me go ahead, 1 of these here, and just tie it up right there, clamp it. Now make sure it's flushed on the bottom here. So it looks already like something they have on the garden section on Home Depot. Maybe I should have buy something like that in the garden section at Home Depot. So this should do it. Let me flush it here. Should be flushed. Alright, so it's looking good. Looking good. You got some space in the bottom. And this is for home. I'm not gonna take this to a stage. No way. Let's see how it goes. So you can go ahead and, if you have a wood filler for those holes, I'll go ahead and make my own. I put some glue. You can make your own with sawdust. Right there. And I went ahead and sanded the corners on this part too, over here. All this at the edges here. So let's see. Go ahead and put some glue. Now the sawdust. I just tap it. So already sanded. Everything is level, everything is looking good. You can still see some marks, but they're not deep. Already sanded, everything looks flat. Looks good. Not bad at all. Let me go ahead and paint it. Paint it and put some Velcro tape all across. Let's see how it goes. So I'm over here painting the bottom first. 6" away. First coat. You could do stain, I guess black if you want. Could even do house paint with a brush. So this is it. I'm basically done with it. Some of these pedals came with the Velcro part that you put on the back. Some of them didn't. But you could also buy these right here. I'll put the link on the description where you could buy it. It's the fabric part and the Velcro part right here. 2 rolls, 5 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fabric part, this one here. I'm gonna put it on the boards, since this is the Velcro part that goes on the pedal. And then the Velcro part are put on the ones I didn't bring any. All right, so this is it. This is it. It's done. It's not really about the pedals. It's about the board. As you see, you could put the patch cables through the hole, and over here also the patch cables from whatever you want, the power cables. I need more of the Velcro and the fabric, so I'm gonna order that. But this is so neat that you could just put everything. This is not a professional pedal board. I'm not gonna take this to any stage, right? But yeah, I just have connected whatever I use. So it's pretty neat that you could be able to do this out of wood yourself. So there you have it. Hey, can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And there you go.